Hi friends, my name is Susie. Today we are going to see so many things about bugs. Let's get started. Worm, worm. Butterfly, butterfly. Bee, bee. Ladybug, ladybug. Firefly, firefly. Mosquito, mosquito. A fly, a fly. Spider, spider. Mantis, mantis. Cricket, cricket. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Dung beetle, dung beetle. Ant, ant. Beetle, beetle. Cockroach, cockroach. Whoa, good job, my friends. There are a lot of bugs. I enjoyed. I hope you did too. Let's have a look on what each of these bugs do. Hi, I am a worm. I live under the ground. Hi, I am a butterfly. I love sitting on flowers. Hi, I am a bee. I love honey. Hi, I am a ladybug. I have beautiful pattern on my back. Hi, I am a firefly. I am lighting up. Hi, I am a mosquito. I love blood. Hi, I am a fly. I am nosy. Hi, I am a spider. I make a great big web. Hi, I am a mantis. I have sharp spines. Hi, I am a cricket. I am chirping. Hi, I am a grasshopper. I jump very well. Hi, I am a dung beetle. I am very strong. Hi, I am an ant. I love group working. Hi, I am a beetle. I have a hard body. Hi, I am a cockroach. I am not scary. And we are the bugs.